Hi everyone, is your microphone not working on your Android phone? People can't hear you during calls or recordings. Don't worry, here are some easy fixes. Step 1. Restart your phone. First, restart your phone. Go to Settings, Restart. This can fix small microphone problem quickly. Step 2. Check microphone hole. Now check the microphone area at the bottom of your phone. Clean it gently because dust can block your voice. Step 3. Remove Bluetooth devices. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and turn it off. Sometimes audio connects to earbuds or speakers instead of the phone microphone. Step 4. Check apps permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Permissions, Microphone. Make sure apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Recorder have microphone access. Step 5. Test the microphone. Open the Voice Recorder app and record your voice. If there no sound, the microphone may have a problem. Step 6. Update your phone. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any available update. Step 7. Remove phone case. If your phone case covers the microphone hole, remove it and test again. And that's it. These steps should fix microphone not working on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy teach tips.